Hi everybody, all my followers, be welcome to another video. So the video today is on a 2010, I'm sure it's 2010, Audi A3. I know it's petrol, not sure which engine is on this, but doesn't really matter for what we're going to be looking at. So this car came to me after failing its MOT with it had I think anti-roll linkage, but that's been done already. The other issue is it failed with the offside rear stoplights not working. Now, I had a quick look, and I'm going to show you exactly why it does. But yeah, there is an issue with our light. There is something on that light that I'm not sure if it's not related to the fact that the light is not working. I think only time will tell as we dig through this. But to start with, let me show you exactly what the car does. So right now I have hazard lights on, I have reverse engaged, I have brake pedal pressed, lights on and fog lights on. And third stop light works. Right here at the back we have that working fine. We have brake lights is here, fog lights are working. On this side we have signal works, that works, fog light works, stop light doesn't work, and side lights, which I think is this ring around here. Let me change some lights so we can have a look. Okay, so side lights only now. And the side lights is actually this ring all the way around, which is off on this side. You can see the condensation inside. There is a crack here on the side, which I don't know if it's going to be related or not to the problem. Okay, so probably a little bit of an overkill and really unnecessary, but we scanned the car and there we go. So sorry guys, so there we go, active. Left backup light, if you, I don't know if you've seen it, but the reverse light on the right, on the left hand side was also off, was only working on one of the sides. And then we have all these faults here. So tail lamp, brake lamp, and brake lamp bulb 2. So yeah, it says passive and sporadic, so I don't know if we can, but they're all sorry, let's go again to these live data, to these codes. So short circuit to B+. So not really necessary, we know the fault is there, but why not? Okay, problem found, and now the question is, am I going to be able to fix it? So to remove the light at the back, all you need to do is take this little cap here, like this, then there is a 30mm sort of screw, whatever, nut. Once that comes out, you just pull it, and then you pull it sideways. So, do I need to say much more? Don't think I do. Do I need to say much more? Don't really think I do. And actually, brake light, look at that. The brake light is actually broken. The filament is broken. It's not gonna follow the look. There we go. You see there? So obviously it wouldn't they are both they are both gone. Okay. Anyway, right, I think the main one here is actually the one that I believe feeds this sort of ring around, and I have a feeling that the one that goes to the boot is fed from here. It then goes back from here up to the boot. I need to check diagrams. Surely it comes to here and then it goes up, so that's why it's not working on the boot either. Okay, wow, what are we gonna do with this? I don't know. Okay, and just before we do anything else, I just decided to figure out how this works. Diagrams would be quick, but honestly it took me 2 minutes. So on this side, I wanted to understand why that side wouldn't work either. There is actually a separate module for the LED sort of strip, whatever you want to call it. There is loads of broken bulbs, so this bulb for the reverse, that's why it didn't work. Or was the other side that didn't work? Can't remember now. There is loads of bulbs broken anyway. We're gonna have to replace everything. But the feed to this strip here is actually, as you've seen by the multimeter, is actually coming from here. So it goes from here, then up to the boot. So that's why nothing works there either. So let's gonna see what we can do here. Try to clean all this stuff, see if we can get something to work again, and go from there. Really, that's all we can do. Also, the fact that this light is broken there, which most likely is what allowed the water to get inside. I don't know. What am I gonna do with this? What am I gonna do with this? I think my decision is gonna be depending on this. Depends how bad this is. If I can't repair this, then am I gonna go for a new or for a used light? Because and that honestly doesn't look very good. So let's go to dismantle that and see what we can do. Okay, and should be what I think it is. Okay, and after inspecting this very careful, and due to the fact that it is cracked in there, I would have to split this open. For the price, I just got another one. So there it is. Just need to clean this paint, but yeah, let's gonna take this off, make sure it's cleaned inside, and go from there. But yeah, the price is quite cheap. I got this quite cheap for about 30 odd pounds, I think it was. I'm not even sure now. I think it was around there somewhere. And honestly, I just thought, you know, yeah, look at the difference. Oh dear, look at that, and look at that. So look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And look at that. So yeah. So let's gonna fit this back in. This new one, make sure all the bulbs are okay. Looks like there is a bulb already here that is blown. So we're gonna get all the bulbs moved. And that's about it really. Okay, and just before I push it back in and clean it, just let's make sure it actually works. Wipe it. So first thing is, oh dear, ignition on, lights, hazard lights, that, what else I need? I think that's it really. Let's gonna have a look then. Oh yeah, that's there, it's good. Reverse lights on both sides, if this is working. One thing left is my brakes, and there is. And everything is working. Right, everything is working. Everything's working, everything's working, everything's working. Right, guys, I know nothing special, to be honest with you, but yeah, just thought to share with you guys. Why not? So in the end, we just replaced the tail light on that side, and that's it. So with no further ado, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something, maybe, who knows. If you do have any questions, any comments, please put them below, and like always, thanks for watching.